Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to update the Logitech MX Master for firmware with the Logi Options Plus. So, how to update the firmware? All you have to do is enter the Logi Options Plus app. Now here in the app, you need to choose your MX Master 4, and as you guys can see, mine is right here. And all we have to do is go over here to the settings, and right here in the settings we will have the about section, and right here we have the firmware version. So as you guys can see, it says that I have the latest version, but we need to make sure, so I'll click check for update, and now it's checking for updates. So as you guys can see, I have the latest version, but if you don't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important to do so. And that's basically how you guys can do that. So it's all in the settings right here, and it's right up top. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.